already said this, auxiliary verb do is typically used to form negative and questioning sentences, right? ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ರೂಪುಗೊಳಿಸಲು auxiliary verb do ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? Apart from positive sentences, right? But we can also form some simple positive sentences. Okay, let us see. First one, we do the laundry. What do you mean by laundry? Laundry means ಅಗಸನ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒಗೆಯುವ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂಗಡಿ. Okay, here it means we do the laundry means ನಾವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಗೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ, right? So this is the simple positive sentence. Then how to make negative sentence? So what is the negative sentence of this? We don't do the laundry. Do not contraction is don't. Okay, we don't do the laundry, right? Then how to make questioning sentence using auxiliary verb do? See here, do we do the laundry? ನಾವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಗೆಯಬೇಕಾ, right? Here while making questioning sentence we have used here two times auxiliary verb do. See here, first one at the beginning. So this do means question word, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಪದ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಶಬ್ದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, right? Questioning word or question word. Next one we have to write here subject we, right? Subject means ವಿಷಯ. Next verb we have used here auxiliary verb do, right? This is the verb, right? First one is questioning word or question word. Next one is subject. Next verb. This pattern we have to follow while making questioning sentences using auxiliary verb do. Do we do the laundry? ನಾವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಗೆಯಬೇಕಾ, right? See here next. They do household chores. ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, right? What is the negative form here? They don't do the house chores. ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Then how to make questioning sentence? Do they do household chores? Do at the beginning what it means? Question word, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಪದ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳುವ ಪದ, right? Question word ಆಗಿ ನಾವು do ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? Next subject, they is the subject. Next one is verb, right? While making questioning sentences we have to follow this pattern. Okay, do they do household chores? ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರಾ, right? Next, I do the dishes. ನಾನು ತಿಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, here dishes has the two meanings. ಒಂದ್ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂಡಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಉಪಹಾರ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, then how to write in negative form? I don't do the dishes. ನಾನು ತಿಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Then how to write in negative form, questioning form? Do I do the dishes? ನಾನು ತಿಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಉಪಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?